for assignment 4.1. This is naive Bayes classification in Python. The first few functions in the class are basically to input the training data, test data, and the vocabulary which is given by the user. The main three functions are nbtrain, nbclassify, and accuracy. In nbtrain, we train our data first by getting the priors and getting the posteriors. For priors, what we do is we use the formula that was given to us in the PPT. Essentially, over here we make categories, which is DI in the formula. For vocabulary, we use the vocabulary over here to get our posterior. NB classify. NB classify is basically it's a probability to be calculated for a single test instance that is passed on to it. We use a log-based approach for avoiding the underflow. To get the probability, we use the formula for classification from the PPT slide 75. We return the max for this classified probability, which is then sent to accuracy to check the accuracy of the test data. Now, what accuracy function is doing here is basically it iterates through each row in the test set. For each instance in the test set, it gets their classified probabilities and stores it. Then it compares the list of classified probabilities with the test set labels. The function then returns its accuracy, and the rest are like basically printing stuff and all. To print it posterior, print prior, and probabilities and all. This is our main function. I'll just start my program. It's already been loaded, one of it. So the prior probabilities are about this. Then we input the term for which we want classification. Let's go for game. So I've already input like the given terms in the question. So each of them are like already over here, like game, god, match, program, sale, etc. Now we'll enter the path CSV path file for test data. I have it stored over here. Next is the labels. It takes a little bit of time. Yeah. So enter the number of test instances to view the predicted class labels and probabilities. Let's go with 20 as given in the question. These are the test instances predicted class labels and probabilities from test item 0 to 19, which is essentially 20. As you can see, we have log probabilities over here. Overall accuracy of our system is 87%, which is 87.6 over here. And that would be all for this. Thank you.